So is shall I cold call or not? This is all. This is always the is very first question from clients, and um, the answer, the short answer is no. You don't need to. If you have a right system in place, um, you can target the right people, and this is why, if you remember on a slide, I show on the intelligence side and on enrichment side on how we find the right data and how the AI agents and how we processing the data, the whole data intelligence before we even send a single email. Um, that's so critical because when I'm saying segmentation before we set up a campaign, enrichment and segmentation, what I mean by that is there are XYZ company, Oasis, Michael is a owner, but there are other maybe the co-founder, managing director, maybe CEO, maybe manager on a manager level as well, sales director, commercial director. So when I'm saying segmentation, I mean this segmentation as well. So not just segmentation within a particular sector or industry, going down in niches, but it's also meaning going into different decision makers who are either we call as ultimate decision makers or influencers, people who can influence decisions because they have the decision power to make certain decisions within a certain budget, or they can go to the CEO, they can go to the owner, and they can accelerate. I don't know how many emails on a daily basis we're sending and we're receiving from it just literally coming back as forwarded to someone else within the organization. If if whatever you have to say and tell to your ideal clients is interesting, even if we find the wrong people within our organization, if there is something good in your offer and your service, internally, those people, if you target multiple people, if you target multiple people, they're going to be sending it to the right people and it's going to be in front of them. So that's going to give an extra trust on your email because someone internally forwarded your email. So what I'm trying to say is with a smart system, with a smart segmentation and enrichment process, you will not just find a company and a website and an inquiry email and sending an inquiry or calling a central landline number, that most of the time we can find and hit the right person or multiple persons within an organization and someone will be interested if whatever I have to say, you have to say and sell is interesting. And also, that's why we're implementing LinkedIn as well, because we are targeting them on LinkedIn as well. So you are messaging them on LinkedIn. Hi, Mike, I sent you an email. I'm just following up on LinkedIn. Is it a good time, or this is what I have to say, or whatever you have to say on LinkedIn? So we do a very soft approach on LinkedIn. But as you can see, multiple touch points within companies and multiple touch point with every single decision makers or influencer is going to be put you front of those people. And even if you want to do a cold call because you need results quickly and you want to increase response rate, when you make that phone call, most of the time we find mobile numbers, or even if it's just a landline number and you definitely want to call Mike, you can say in a phone, "Hi Mike, I sent you 2 emails, 3 emails. I follow up with you on LinkedIn, and I just wanted to make sure that you received my message. I just want to have a chat with you," kind of thing. And even if it's a gatekeeper, if you are a good caller, and if you definitely want to do a call, it's smoother to get into those conversations. Exactly. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for the invitation and for the opportunity as well.